How to edit shared document on Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can edit shared document on Google Drive. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Google Drive and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. After that, head towards shared with me section by clicking on this option from your left hand side. Now from here you have to select the document that was shared in your drive. For example, I have this document right here. Right click on it, then click on open with, and now go with Google Docs. So once you opened your document in your Google Docs, now you can edit your document right here. You can add more text, and in this way you can edit your document that was shared with you in your Google Drive. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.